Oh, we might want to turn it. We might want to turn. There we go. Careful, don't go too fast. Nice catch. Nice catch. Good push. 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 There you go. Oh, easy. Easy. Oop, I think the clothes are done. I'm gonna put this away because I don't want you pushing it when I'm not watching. I don't want you to get hurt. No.